right, folks, it finally happened. We have snow in metro Atlanta, and my chickens are not smart. They're hanging out outside as opposed to inside the brightly lit, heated chicken coop. Now, I'm pretty certain that the bees are not going to be flying today, but it is a fantastic day. We are expecting snow like this for most of the day. It's going to turn into freezing rain at probably around 3 o'clock. But right now we are in doggone near whiteout conditions, and we're getting the giant flakes. It's wonderful. Just wonderful. Our weather guy on the TV just said that if 2 snowflakes land on top of each other, we'll have an inch of snow, and I believe him. Let's have a look at the hives. Alright, so now we're going to take the Subaru out on the roads. We're going to go driving around on the roads to see how this thing handles, but that's not the reason we're going out. I mean, I do want to drive around in the snow. Seems like it's going to be fun, and this Outback was designed to do that. However, the goal is going to be to go to the farm, check on the bees over there to make sure that they're still alive. I do have the top-down thermal imaging camera with me, so we're going to go over there and see if we see any heat signatures on the boxes. Other than that, hey, let's enjoy the ride and enjoy the snow. using the top don, not the coeets. We just want to see if we see any sign of life in any of these hives here. Let's have a look. That one's pretty blue. That's pretty blue. Yeah. Let's see what we have here. Oh, there's a cluster there for sure. Look at that. These girls, yeah, there's a cluster up in the top. Okay. What do we have here? We have a little cluster right up in the upper left-hand corner. All right. Okay, they've got some heat. What do we have here? Let's just do a walk really quick. It's cold out here. I see a little orange glow there, so that one's alive. We're not going to try to tell what the temperatures are there. There's a glow there. That one's alive. Down here in the end, those girls are definitely alive. Let's go to this double-decker here. Yeah, those girls are up at the top. This one right here. I see some glow by the handle. So they're in there. Yeah, there they are. So they're alive. They're definitely alive. I can see their glow when I come at them from an angle there, right there in the side. What do we have here? These girls are alive. Fantastic. And what do we have? Okay, that whole top box is glowing. That's actually a single box, but it's glowing. That hive's alive. Okay, these girls, they're alive. Look at that big old heat signature on the side. Okay. Okay, I can see some heat along the bottom there. No, it's right at the top. They're alive. They're alive. Okay, so far so good. I'm very pleased. Everybody seems to be doing okay. Yeah, there's another spot right there. Tell you what, I'm freezing. They're alive. They're alive. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see them right there. Right in that upper handle. So what do we have here? Okay. Oh, that hive's got some heat. Okay. What do we have here in this double? The double. Do I see anything there? Yeah, the upper box is glowing a little bit. Here's the back of that hive. Oh yeah, we've got some heat. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, look at the heat on the ground below this one. Yeah, those girls are alive. Excellent. I tell you what, my hands are frozen. I can see a heat signature there. They're alive. They're alive. I can see a little heat signature down on the bottom. Fantastic. These girls are alive. Tell you what, I was surprised, but not really. I knew that these girls were in good shape. They had everything they need to make it through the winter. Now, this box worried me a little bit. Actually, that one did, but I didn't really spend a lot of time on it. And I tell you what, these two right here I didn't even look at, but I'm pretty certain that they're alive. These girls had everything they need to go into the winter, and now we have a real winter. So far, we're looking at about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Should be on the ground by about noon. I'm expecting a little bit more. Now, it has turned into sleet right about now. It's not really raining, it's sleeting. I'm getting slush all over me. And so is the Subaru. So there you go, there you have it. I'm going to head back to the house. All right, so I just went up to get the mail. And of course, rain, snow, sleet, and hail, that doesn't matter anymore. But as I'm walking back, I see this little fella in the backyard. Well, I haven't seen one of these for a long time. And I don't know where he lives, but chances are in a couple of days he's going to go back there. He's kind of got the lean on him, but that's okay. He's waving. He's got the authentic charcoal eyes and carrot nose. He doesn't have a corncob pipe, but he appears to be wearing my hat. Wonder how he ended up getting my hat and Mom's scarf. All right, well, there you go. And I am fairly certain that these girls are alive. I'm pretty doggone certain. I don't have the heat gun here. I left that in the car, but Yeah, we've got quite a bit of snow here. This is fantastic. What a wonderful day. I mean, we've got 2 to 3 inches already. I don't know whether you can tell with my feet prints, but I mean that's a lot of snow. But the hives look cozy. They all look cozy. I'll give them that. I was going to use my my nice camera to film. Unfortunately, the snow is so wet that that's not a good idea. It's even actually messing with my iPhone. It puts it on AF lock and all kinds of crazy stuff is happening, but it still does the job and lets me share my snow adventure with you. So there you go. Let's go down here and have a look at the lake. Now it's starting to turn to sleet. This is happening early. It wasn't supposed to happen until 3 o'clock, but it's getting sleety. Is that a word, sleety? It's getting sleety. There you go. What a beautiful, beautiful day. All right, folks, I tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm going to head into the house, go down to the shop, and continue painting beehive lids and bottom boards to make sure that we're ready for the March launch of the Honey Creek Bee Yard. With all of that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. If you have something to say, by all means, please comment. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, take a moment, hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. I would really, really appreciate it. I put a lot of work into these videos and I love to share them. So with all that said, be happy. And I will see you on a warmer day. Take care. Well, I think the best part of the snow is over. We've got water dripping already. I think it's about done. But I think it's going to stay around for a couple of days.